Ethereum prices are nearly $1,600. We're up over 6% on the day. Will we see the Ethereum prices continue on up the way and recover 50% of the move since we dropped down from the highs and start to look like we can continue towards the top side like we've seen with Bitcoin maybe perhaps currently? Or are we looking at a slightly different picture? Yes, well, maybe we could be. If I just bring on these drawings here, I'll show you all why in just a second, but I'll roll the intros first. Hi, so let's just take a look at this then. So we've dropped down here on the prices, and we can see that we did the same sort of thing over here in Yon BTC chart. There's a little distinct difference here when we bring the drawings back on, and we notice that we're above the 50% or thereabouts currently. Depends on, you know, exactly the time of filming. Actually, it's dropped down $500 since I made the episode for Bitcoin there a wee while ago, so we're just below it. But you get the point, right? Whereas with regards to the Ethereum prices, as you can see here, we are actually just below the 382 Fibonacci retracement point. That might actually be hard for you to see, sorry, I admit, but that's where we are. Let me just move this over. This episode's funny, isn't it? Right, okay, that's where we are right now at this 50%. We're what embarrassment. Gonna make this one again. It's a bit easier to see. Let's draw in from that low. Right, okay, cool. Let's leave that off to the side so it doesn't need to feature on the show straight away. It doesn't line up perfectly, but it'll do great for where it is. Ethereum prices, they've gone up to $1,600 or thereabouts, and they're up over 6% on the day. Things coming up in this episode right now. Thanks for joining me. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Come back for more of this. There's always good stuff to be seen here. Let's explain all in just a second. So, hi friends, as you can see below me there's a live chat text box. That's because this is during a live episode. Be sure to join us for a live stream someday so you can get your questions answered at the time. My name's Outcrop. This is Ethereum Technical Analysis. Thanks so much for joining me. You'll notice I've also got a video out for Bitcoin, Ethereum, this is Ethereum, Chainlink and Tezos today. Check out those on the channel as well and drop me a like on all of them. Right, anyway, we've seen the prices drop down the way recently in terms of the Bitcoin and Ethereum and well, especially with those two main parts of the market. Consider, do I cut that bit out or just leave it in? We'll see. Anyway, yeah, we've seen the prices drop down. We've recovered a bit, but have we recovered enough? And that's the question. Over here on Bitcoin, when I just want to show you real quick the comparison point, that the price action for us has brought us up right to the 50% Fibonacci retracement from the highs down to the recent lows. Over here on Ethereum, well, we've done great and everything, coming up and getting touch off that 50%. We're actually back down below the 382 at the minute. This is a big point of distinction between the two charts, because what this does is it means if you draw a Fibonacci from the lows to the most recent highs, it puts the price action below the 236, meaning that we could still be looking for another further retracement on down the way towards the price action coming all the way down towards that sort of 1420 price point again. Now, in terms of the bigger picture, you know, since the low that we had before we rocketed up here in this most recent phase, as we encaptured that with this wedge on the go, that whole phase of the market, we've come down and we've done a golden pocket retrace, and we've now recovered a little bit. So that's really great to see, and that's really fantastic. Now, that's what this is all about. Are we going to see things continue down a little bit more, or will they go up towards the top side? Well, we've done quite well so far. In terms of the lows that we've had over here, this could be conceivably hidden bullish divergence. So when we do start to see this recover enough, and I'm saying by going past the 1666 level, then we have the rocket fuel already on board to go up towards that 2000 level thereafter. However, it's the struggle between here and there where the risk on this one really lies. If you want to wait for confirmation on it before you kind of dive into trades, that's totally fine. If we drag on prices on down the way here, then of course there's other opportunities for shorting it too, which maybe be looking for. Right now, so long as the prices stay above 1470, I'm feeling pretty confident with the upside on this one. While we have to admit that so long as the prices are below 1581, you know, that's a little bit of a premature case to be made. However, that's your ups and downs, exactly how I'll be approaching this market over the next wee while. Be sure to drop me a like and a subscribe and all that good stuff, and come back and join these wonderful people. I love these people down here. These guys down here, guys and girls in this chat box, are my favorite people. Become one of them. I'll see you in the near future.